Hello World Fitness family, today we're going to discuss a simple yet effective stretching exercise that can help improve your flexibility and overall fitness. This stretching routine focuses on your legs, which are crucial for movement and stability. By incorporating these stretches into your daily routine, you'll notice a significant improvement in your overall leg strength and flexibility. 1. Leg raises. The first stretching exercise is the leg raising stretch. This stretch targets the hamstrings, quadriceps, and calves. To perform this stretch, find a sturdy chair or table and sit on the edge with your feet flat on the ground. Place your hands behind your head or on your hips and bring your knees towards your chest, keeping your chest up as you do so. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds and repeat 3 to 5 times. 2. Butterfly stretch. The butterfly stretch is another great leg stretch that targets the hamstrings, calves, and lower back. Sit with your feet together on the floor and spread your knees outward. Gently press your knees towards the ground and hold for 15 to 30 seconds. Repeat 3 to 5 times. 3. Shuffle stretch. The shuffle stretch is a great exercise for improving balance and coordination. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and quickly step forward 1 foot while shifting your weight to that foot. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds and then switch legs. Repeat 3 to 5 times. 4. Calf stretch. The calf stretch is excellent for targeting the calves and preventing calf cramps. Stand with your feet together and bend your knees, holding your ankles with your hands. Slowly extend your legs and hold for 15 to 30 seconds. Repeat 3 to 5 times. 5. Lunge with spinal twist. This stretch targets the hamstrings, quads, and glutes. Begin in a lunge position with your right foot forward. Place your left hand on the ground and twist your upper body to the right, lifting your right hand towards the sky. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds and repeat on the opposite side. 6. Hamstring stretch. The hamstring stretch is crucial for hamstring flexibility and strength. Sit with your feet together and bend your knees, holding your ankles with your hands. Extend your legs and hold for 15 to 30 seconds. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Incorporating these stretching exercises into your daily routine will not only improve your leg flexibility, but also contribute to a stronger and more balanced overall fitness routine. Remember to always listen to your body and take breaks as needed. Happy stretching!